In Module 2, we'll be discussing the importance of maintaining a healthy environment to keep the children in our care healthy. Many of you have probably had a less than desirable experience in a public restroom where you wanted to avoid touching anything at all costs. You may even use your foot to put up the seat in this situation. Most people have had this experience, and it can be uncomfortable and stressful. As adults, we can respond to such situations by finding a different place to use the restroom or washing our hands thoroughly. We want to stay healthy, and we want to believe that our environments are reasonably clean. Children and their families have these same desires. Child development programs must provide environments that are clean and prevent the spread of communicable diseases. It is your responsibility to make sure that children have a safe and healthy environment to play and learn. Germs are the cause of infectious diseases, and we can't see these with the naked eye, but they're transmitted without us knowing them nonetheless. Some of the ways that germs can be transmitted are direct contact, when we touch the fluid of another person's body that's infected, respiratory or airborne spread, when someone sneezes or coughs and spreads from their mouth or nose into the air, fecal-oral transmission, which is spread to a person's mouth from hands that are soiled with feces that maybe have touched a food surface or play surface or any toy or object. These germs from fecal matter are invisible, and hands and surfaces may appear clean, but the germs can still be spread. This can make adults and children ill. And finally, indirect contact. This is touching another person's infection. The fluid could be transmitted by an environmental object like a door handle, a toy, a cabinet, any equipment. It doesn't have to be person to person for the germ to spread. Since it's the teacher's responsibility to maintain a healthy environment, we're going to spend some time this week exploring further how germs are spread. We're also going to look at some preventative measures called standard or universal precautions for preventing the spread of communicable diseases. Some of the ways you may already be familiar with are daily health observations, which were discussed in a module previously, cleaning and sanitation procedures, health policies such as immunization requirements and exclusion policies, hand washing policies, and of course teaching healthy practices so that the children and families in our care are aware of how illness spreads, and we can teach them to be healthier and prevent the spread of such illnesses.